Hey everyone, so here we are again. Today we're looking at a review of StockClip, the new kid on the block that went live today. Now, my name is Floyd Gordon and I'm a member of Jono Armstrong's Ministry of Review training program. Right? And we're learning a lot of great things that we're excited to share with you. So, let's go. Here we are in the members area. And in the members area, we're looking at the training. And I love when there's training. So there's training, support, and you have downloads. And then you have many different feeds to choose from. Facebook video feed, Facebook story, Facebook in-stream video, and so forth. So you can click and go through. Right? So it's here, pretty straightforward. Right? WhatsApp status, TikTok video, Facebook ad, many different options to choose from. If you go to the training page, right? Well, it looks very similar. I guess you click on each and you move on from there. So you click here and you notice now you have the option designs, videos, images, texts, elements, right? Different things that you can drag and drop. All right, and there's going to be a demo video for you. So let me jump straight into this offer. So today, if you take action and grab StockClip, I have many bonuses for you, right? But just if you take action today. So here goes. One, for taking action today, right? You get access to the Fuego multiplier. Because yes, it's wonderful to be able to make all these wonderful videos and beautiful, pages. But if you can't drive traffic to that page, then it defeats the point. So here, the Fuego multiplier teaches you how to get traffic to your page. And here we have Jono Armstrong, who's a master in this business, who is teaching us some tricks and some hacks as to how to use the system to work for you and to have shortcuts to get traffic to your pages. Right? So this is my bonus number one. You don't want to miss this. Bonus number two, how to write headlines that sell. Right? So we know we all want to make sure we have that wonderful hook that pulls people to our ads and pulls people to view our images. Right? And again, this is Jono Armstrong sharing his expertise in this area. So, bonus number two. Bonus number three, how to get 90% off your AdWords spend for both Bing and AdWords. And here again, Jono Armstrong is sharing his expertise with us. So, I've gotten access to these benefits to share with you because I'm a part of his training program. Right? So, please, you do not want to miss these bonuses. And then you have access to 10 fast action bonuses straight from the vendor. Right? So all of these fast action bonuses are coming from the vendor. So believe me, you do not want to miss out on this opportunity. Here we have a demo video showing you how StockClip works. Right? So right here on the page, you just click and you'll be able to watch your demo video. Alright, so I'll give you the chance to go through and watch that. Just click the link below and you go straight to my bonus page and you'll get all of this information. So as long as you buy now, you'll get these benefits. Now, here it is. So what is StockClip all about? You're getting a state-of-the-art video maker, right, with their drag and drop video maker that allows you to create video content that stands out. Over 300 plus designer templates for you and for all your social media needs. You have a completely searchable platform with a keyword, instantly access 3 million stock HD footage in multiple sizes and resolutions, a million plus HQ royalty free photos in any niche. And so here we're looking at the prices and upsells. Alright, so upfront price $17, but with their $5 coupon, you should be able to save $5 and pay only $12. And of course, there's a downsell at $9.99. Upsell number one, will be $47. But if you don't want that option, there's a cheaper version at $29. And so all of these are available when you go into the page. So the important thing is just to click on the link and check it out now if this is for you, right? If you want all of these options for these images. Now, some of the benefits that you'll be getting. Never worry about copyrighted assets. All your assets are under one roof. Customize and edit any asset for you or your client. Get more traffic, leads, and sales, of course, because you have more exciting stuff. 5,000 plus icons and vectors in multiple niches. A basic and advanced image editor. One-click share on social media. Use in unlimited projects. There's a free commercial license included, right? And there's a free agency license. And of course, there's a money-back guarantee. So, click on the link and check it out now. Yes, and once you click this link, it will take you to the sales page. So you click this link, click here to secure your copy. Now, after you go to my bonus page, you click the link here, click to secure your copy and bonuses, and it takes you to the sales page. So here we are on the sales page. And a quick way to get an immediate discount is, so here we are on the sales page, and I'll show you a very short way to get a discount. Just scroll up, right? And this is a very simple one. Move your mouse up to the top as if you're going out, and of course, it says, wait, click here to claim your $4 discount now. Right, so guys, please, if you want this, don't wait. Check it out now. All right, all the best, and look forward to seeing you with the next review.